Before we go anywhere, just watch this. Watch the character, watch the lighting, and watch for the cut. Because there isn't one. That's 30 seconds, one generation, one take. No stitching, no patching transitions, nothing drifting. And here's the part that makes it usable. That's 1080p, full HD 3D animation, straight out of the model. Made with the newest AI video model, Seedance 2.5. And right now, Seedance 2.5 in 1080p is on Higgsfield first, before any other platform. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create 3D animation videos like this, in 1080p, in one take, step by step. And stick around, because all new users get 5 free generations to try it. First, real quick, if you're new here, welcome to ManuAGI. I'm Manu, and on this channel, I show you the best AI tools and how to use them, in simple steps anyone can follow. If that sounds helpful, hit subscribe, because this one is a perfect example. Okay, let's make an AI animation story. Quick context on why this is a big deal for animation specifically. Until now, making a longer animated story with AI meant generating short clips and stitching them together. And that's where it always broke. The face drifted between clips, the lighting shifted, the cut gave it away. Seedance 2.5 changes 3 things. 1. Length. Up to 30 seconds in a single generation, double what 2.0 gave you. And it's a scene, not one long moment. Multiple shots can live inside it, so your story starts, builds, turns, and lands. And you can extend it. Add the next shot onto a video you already made, and your characters, locations, and pacing carry over. That's how you build a long animation without stitching. 2. What you can feed it. Up to 50 references in one generation, 30 images, 10 video clips, 10 audio files. For animation, that's everything. Your character sheet, your world, your style, your music. And in group scenes, every character keeps their own face and their own voice. Three. Editing after the fact. You can direct by the second, change one stretch without touching the rest, or keep the scene identical and change only the camera. Plus, it's 1080p, watermark-free, in any aspect ratio. That's why this is finally usable for real animation channels. Let's build one. First, on Higgsfield, go to the Video section and select the Seedance 2.5 star model. You will see a dashboard like this. First, if you have any reference image you can upload here, up to 30 images, 10 videos, 10 audio file. 50 references in a single generation like whole cast, your location, your look, your track. And this is what came back. You can upload it, but for this time, we only using our master prompt for our 3D animation generation. And if you want this master prompt also available in description box, next, choose your model. We already selected Seedance 2.5, but if it is not selected on your side, choose it here. Now choose your video duration. The default duration is 8 seconds, but for this video, I need a longer result, so I select 30 seconds. Next, choose the video aspect ratio. For this example, I select 16:9. Then choose your video resolution, 1080p. Now you can generate crazy stunning videos in full HD 1080p quality on Seedance 2.5. After selecting everything, click on the Generate button, and the video generation process will begin. After a few seconds, my video is ready. Let's watch the result.
For you.
It's not gone. Hold it steady.
It's glowing again!
It looks really amazing. The AI created the full video in full HD quality in 1080p Seedance 2.5, according to our master prompt. For example, let's dive into the another beautiful stunning video. So simply, again, we copy and paste our master prompt for our 3D animation story.
For you. Oh no!
You don't have to hold it alone.
And damn it looks really amazing. Again, Higgsfield Seedance 2.5 AI created the full video in full HD quality in 1080p. Come on, I really feel like generating another one. The videos turned out so amazing last time. For this, we simply copy-paste our master prompt. Model, we select Seedance 2.5. Video duration 30 seconds. Ratio 16:9. Video quality 1080p. And simply, we click on Generate. And in few seconds, our next 3D animation video is ready. Let's watch the result.
Not today, Grandma. This is not your floor.
All right, help me up.
And damn it looks really amazing. Again, Higgsfield Seedance 2.5 AI created the full video in full HD quality in 1080p. Honest verdict. For animation, the win isn't just quality, it's continuity. Your character stops drifting. That's what makes a series possible. And here's the timing. Seedance 2.5 in 1080p is on Higgsfield first, before any other platform, until Monday. So right now, you can use it while most people can't. Plus, all new users get 5 free generations after linking a credit card, and that ends Tuesday. So if you want to try this, now's the window. Links in the description. So that's how you create 3D animation videos in 1080p with Seedance 2.5, 30 seconds in one take, extended into a full story, with your character holding the whole way. The link and 5 free generations are in the description. Grab it before Tuesday. If this helped, hit subscribe. I'm making a lot more with this model. And tell me in the comments, what's the first 3D animation story you'd create? Best idea gets pinned. Click the video on your screen to keep going. See you in the next one.